What's up, y'all? It's Isaiah with UNC Student Affairs, and in honor of National Kindness Day, we're going to be going around campus asking students some of the kindest things that they've done for people and vice versa for others. Let's go. All right, so we're here today. If I can have your names and your major if you have one.
I'm Iselle Bernal. I'm a sophomore, and I'm pre-nursing.
I'm Wiz, crossing guard, and no major.
I'm JT. I'm a nursing student.
Okay.
I'm Kate. I'm also a nursing student. I'm Madison. I'm a bio and studio art major.
And I'm Ayana. I'm an exercise and sports science major.
My name is Jaslyn, and I'm a neuroscience major.
Today I want to ask y'all, what is the nicest thing that you've ever done for somebody?
I think the nicest thing I've done for someone is honestly be a safe space. I'll say it like that. Like I've had people come to me with anger, sadness, whatever, and you know what I mean, just let them get it out safely, judgment-free.
I think prioritizing my time for other people, like if they need my time and I have already planned that for something else, like trying to put their feelings in consideration and like take the time to be with them if they need it.
I work at the hospital, and I had a shift on Sunday, and I spent like 15 minutes just holding my patient's hand and talking to her.
I also work at the hospital, do similar things to her, but I guess I would say it was on this one floor where a lot of the nurses were kind of like really jaded and like kind of like dismissive of this one patient who was just really anxious about stuff, and I just worked with her throughout the day and like help her with a lot of her daily care activities and whatnot.
One of the nice things I do like pretty often is if I want food and I invite somebody to come with me, I always pay like automatically because I feel like I asked you to go get food with me, so like now I feel like I have to pay, so I'll pay for whoever I invite.
My ex-boyfriend was really sick, and I ended up calling Medicare to get him some health insurance.
Responsible girlfriend.
In high school, I used to do what's called the Giving Tree, which is in North Carolina. It's a nonprofit that gives presents to kids who are under-resourced and underfunded. And so I think one year I like went all out for someone's Christmas presents. I spent quite a bit of money getting them like winter clothes.
What's the nicest thing that somebody has done for y'all?
Just remind me that everything's gonna be okay, I would say. Like, you know, no matter what you're going through, just kind of just somebody reminding me like it ain't gonna all be sunshine and rainbows, but it's still worth it.
For sure.
I'm gonna shout out my little sister for a second. She puts everything, me in front of everything in her life. So probably just like always being there. I could text her right now, she'd respond instantly. Like
Just honestly having my friend Kate here, I can just like talk to you about, you know, whatever.
That too, but Dr. Kramer, shout out, just fed me.
When I was in middle school, I was bullied a lot, and my homeroom teacher, he would always call my mom and tell her, like, even when I was in high school, after I left middle school, he would tell her, like, call me if you need anything. So that was probably some of the nicest.
When I was younger, me and my sisters, we would like go to church and stuff like that. A lot of people at church would just give us money.
I think I've been crashing at a bunch of my line sisters' houses while I've been trying to finish my work because everyone wants to have midterms at the same time. So I think them just hosting me for the night and helping me finish my paper, like reviewing it for me as I'm submitting it at 1 o'clock in the morning has been like the nicest thing recently.
All right, and I want to challenge y'all to do at least one nice thing for somebody this week. Deal? Deal?
I can do that.
All right. Appreciate y'all.
Okay.
You have something in mind? Or are you just going to do it randomly?
I think I would have to do it randomly.
All right. If you're going to do it randomly, I got to hold you to the deal. So as we all saw, sometimes the littlest things can make the biggest impacts on people. So for the rest of the week, and honestly the rest of November, let's all challenge ourselves to do at least one kind thing for strangers or people we care about. Thank you all for watching, and follow us at UNC Student Affairs on Instagram and YouTube to see more. Thank y'all.